Yo guys, BBQ here. So today, we're gonna unboxing the Tiny Tan McDonald's box. Let's open. Oh, look at this Tiny Tan. We're gonna unbox it. Let me see who's the character. The character in this is RM, Jin, J-Hope, Suga, Lee, Jimin, Jimin,
guys,
and Jungkook. It's Jungkook, bro. It's Jungkook. Oh my God. Okay, I hope it's. Can you bantay ha? I hope
Let's go open.
Jungkook.
Oh,
Who's here?
let's go open.
Okay. It's Jimin.
Oh,
It's Jimin.
let's see.
Yo, look at him.
Cute.
This is Jimin. Bro, look at this. Look at him. So chill. The chillest character. The chillest character of all. Look at him. It's Jimmy. Wow. So guys, that's all.